Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to take screenshot on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. It is similar, so I'm going to teach you both of that right now. So I know most of you guys don't know that taking screenshot on your PC or your desktop is possible as well. So that is why you are in this video. So I'm going to teach you right now how to take screenshot on your PC on Windows 10 or 11. So it's a really simple process. I'll teach you a really cool or really helpful one. So all you gotta do is press on your Windows button. So after you press on your Windows, you click on Shift and S. So after you click all of these three buttons together, you'll see this. So at here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna select how much you want to screenshot. So let's say you want to screenshot this much. So it has been already copied. You can see here it has been copied, and all you gotta do to paste your screenshot is just click Control V. So your screenshot has been copied, and now what you're going to do to paste your screenshot is press Control V and it will be done. So what you're going to do first is Windows plus Shift plus S. So this is what you're going to do, and to paste your screenshot, all you got to do is Control V. So this is one part to take your screenshot, and you can select how much you want, you can crop it, and this is how you paste your screenshot anywhere. So I believe I've taught you guys how to take screenshot on Windows 10 and 11, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.